Tired of constantly being glued to your phone, manually responding to every single customer inquiry? Well, buckle up, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you how to harness the power of Aisensy's automated messages to free up your time and boost customer engagement. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Automations tab located on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on the Create Automation button to start a new automation sequence. You'll be presented with different trigger options. These triggers determine when your automated message will be sent. Let's say you want to send a welcome message to new customers. Select the welcome message trigger now. Give your automation a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. Next, craft your message in the message editor. Remember to personalize it by using placeholders like customer name, order number, or any other relevant details you've collected. Aisensy allows you to add images, videos, and even interactive buttons to your messages. You can also set a delay before the message is sent. This is useful if you want to wait a few minutes or hours after the trigger event occurs. Additionally, you can specify the days and times the automation should be active. Once you're satisfied with your message and settings, click the Save and Activate button. Your automation is now live and ready to engage your customers automatically. And that's it. You've successfully set up an automated message in Aisensy. By using this feature, you can save time, improve customer satisfaction, and provide timely information, all while focusing on other important aspects of your business. Experiment with different triggers and message content to find what works best for your audience. Don't be afraid to test your messages to optimize for higher engagement. Now go forth and automate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Aisensy tips and tricks. See you in the next one.